Alright guys, I saw your comments on my last Mguiars review video, and I was taking the Z out today and noticed it was pretty dirty, and I saw your comments about this being a scrub product even though the directions on the bottle didn't say so. I believed you, and I'm gonna give it a shot on a different car today since these wheels, if you can tell, look pretty dirty. So hopefully this is a pretty good solid redemption video for last time, because I kind of talked down on the Mguiars stuff at the end of the video, but hopefully this time it's a little bit better. So product shot right there, Mguiars hot rims, wheel and tire cleaner. There's the directions again. So what we need to do, pre-rinse this wheel a little bit, pre-soak it. Hopefully you can see how bad that rubber was looking on the tire. And we'll let that sit for a couple seconds. And I do have a scrub this time I'm gonna use. So now we just spray over it, and I'm gonna use a little less this time so I don't go through the whole bottle on one car. There we go. 6 inches away, spray it on, and now let it sit for 2 seconds, and now I'm gonna scrub it out. Starting with the tire, you can immediately see how brown this is looking. Real dirty. I'm even gonna try to get kind of over the lip of the tire. Now obviously this is working better than just spraying it on and washing it off. But again, I don't think the back of the bottle says to do it. Maybe it's so obvious they don't even need to put it on the bottle. There we go. Make sure to get the spokes. Maybe I'm gonna try to get inside the wheel a little bit. Do that a little bit of a service. Really, I should just take the wheel off to get further back there, but not today, unfortunately. All right, here we go. The money shot. We'll see what it's looking like. Now I really applied pretty minimal pressure and scrubbing onto the wheel. You can see how revitalized that tire rubber looks. So I kind of talked crap on Mguiars in the last video, but honestly, I'll probably stick with this over Chemical Guys personally. So you can see that's the after with minimal scrubbing, and before. It might look different when it dries a little bit, but I think that'll keep for a much healthier looking tire. And I know all the brake dust sitting on there is pretty bad for the tire health. So this is what it looks like after it basically dried. Better, but I'm gonna go and repeat all of the above and see how it looks. And this is drying after the second wash cycle, so I'm probably gonna go for a third with just the front wheels, but looking pretty good. This is during the sudsing part of the third wash, and you can see the suds are actually looking so much cleaner, almost white, surprisingly, if you remember what it looked like. So brown on the first wash, but nice. So this is after the third wash and rinse, and honestly, it looks pretty good. These tires are like 5 years old now, and it really brought life to them. So if you're going to use this product, make sure to scrub and put a little bit extra pressure into it, and do it like 3 times, and you'll get some pretty good results. Mguiars, please sponsor me. And thanks. Like the video, subscribe for more. Bye.